Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo, the RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about something that should be a staple or a standard in legal marketing, and that's honesty. I want to tell you that it's disturbing to me when I read the bio of an attorney and I see that it's embellished or exaggerated in any way. And you have to keep in mind that when people read these things and they come into your office, they're going to ask you about some of the things that are on your bio. And if you can't honestly state that you actually did the things that are on your bio, they have no place being on your website or in any printed material that's handed out. Now, I'm not saying that any lawyer would ever actually knowingly lie. What I'm saying is that people tend to exaggerate. Little things like glossing over gaps in employment or mentioning that you worked on a particular transaction when really all you did was provide support services, meaning going to get coffee for the partners that actually negotiated the transaction. I mean, those are the kinds of things that chip away at the integrity that you have and the feeling of trust that your clients have for you. Now, what should you do in a situation where you have, like, let's say, a gap in your employment history? Well, what you do is you simply tell the truth. That's a shocker. You tell the truth. You actually say what you were doing during that time period. Now, sometimes people will embellish or exaggerate the circumstances under which they left a previous job. And I understand why people do this. What I will tell you is that you can simply say that if you were fired from a job, you can simply state that you were asked to leave because of a disagreement with the management. Though that's not always the most flattering thing in the world, but I will tell you that just about everyone has been asked to leave a job at one point or another, so it's totally fine and nobody's going to think less of you because of it. If something happened and it was particularly bad, then you can say, unfortunately I made some mistakes and I was no longer able to work there. Those are the kinds of things that speak to your credibility, and in the long run, it's always better to be honest about them than it is to try to cover them up or embellish to make yourself look better. You will always find that you win more clients by being direct and honest than you will if you try to lie, embellish, and cover things up. The truth always comes out in the end anyway, and it's better that people hear it from you than if they hear it from someone else, particularly if you've tried to cover it up or lie about it. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great law firm marketing tips, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.